How to add GIF notes on Messenger. Here is a step-by-step guide. To begin, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed in. Next, tap on the Add Note option at the top left corner. Then click on the GIF icon located right beside the music icon. After that, look through the available GIFs. Or if you have something specific in mind, click on the search bar and enter a keyword. Once you find the GIF, select it. Before sharing, if you wish to control who sees your note, tap on Change at the bottom. Here you can select who can see your note, hide it from someone, or even set the time duration. Then click on the Save button at the top right to apply the changes. Finally, hit Share at the top right corner to post the GIF as your note. And there you go. Now you know how to add GIF notes on Messenger.